Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and today I'm sharing with you it's a folio. So I'm calling this a Beautiful Day folio because my little piece right here says have a beautiful day. I'm using some Heartfelt Creations paper and products for this guy. This is Butterfly Dreams Heartfelt Creations. I used so many of their dies. So I got carnation flower and stamp set dies. Then I used the ornate pocket accents and decorative pocket accents. So I just had a lot of fun playing with their products. So this is just a preview of this project. I have a video of showing you how to make the entire thing. It's a free tutorial. So that link will be in the description below. And I'm just showing you the flowers up close and all the butterflies that I cut out of this collection. So this guy just opens up and that's it. Just this. 2 pages. And that's all it needed. So we have we have just a standard waterfall, because everybody loves waterfalls, including myself. Got some tags from the paper collection. Then we have some pockets. So we're going to remove these tags from the pockets. And this accent pieces come from the die sets. And then they open up. Got another pocket using a die, which is super pretty. Some decorations. Perfect for a picture right up here. And then open this side. Another pocket. Just beautiful. This paper, I'm a sucker for butterflies. These are gorgeous, and all these colors just pop. And that's it. So this is the preview. Please go check out the creation video. Look at those flowers. Look at the dimension in these flowers. Just amazing. All right, go check it out. Thank you for watching.